Hello, store owners. Today, I'll show you how to hide your product prices from visitors who aren't logged in. Right now, anyone browsing my shop as a guest can see every price. Let's change that so only logged in customers can see them. Let's head into the wholesale settings and open the price tab. Here, I'll find the option called Hide Price and Add to Cart button, and I'll switch it on. You can also set a custom replacement message here, but I'll stick with the default, login to see prices. Now I'll hit Save Changes to apply it store-wide. Now, let's see the shop the way a guest sees it. And there we go. Instead of prices, every product now shows login to see prices, and the Add to Cart buttons are gone. Only logged in customers can see pricing and buy. And that's how you hide prices from guests on your store. If you have questions, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.